time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waco, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Another severe storm is located near Valley Mills and is moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Belknap, Woodward, Lacey Lakeview, McGregor, West, Beverly Hills, Valley Mills, Crawford, Hallsburg, North Crest, Golson, Leroy, Ross, and Aquila. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 325 and 356. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.